What is up, everybody? C-Mac here, and today we are doing a review on the brand new Storm Physix Blackout featuring the NEX Pro reactive cover stock with an ultra-low RG and the AI core. Let's get into it. One thing that I noticed was how tame it was once it saw the friction down lane. Usually with pearls, sometimes I find that they can be a little too much, a little too quick. This seemed to blend out this pattern, considering it was fresh and the friction wasn't necessarily defined yet. I did move around the lane quite a bit. I changed some hand positions. I messed with my tilt and my axis rotation a little bit just to see how it got through the pins. And I struck a lot. These shots are all in order. Once I got closer to the gutter, this pattern did not have too much oil on the outside. So I did increase my speed and bumped in a little bit and got around it. You can see it still blended out quite well. So even though it is a pearl, because of the NEX cover stock, it does allow the ball to dig in quite early, as you see in this shot. So I did compensate and made a slight adjustment. And look at that. Money. Personally, I feel like the deeper I got with this ball, we could see just how good it is. It doesn't necessarily overreact to the friction when you send it right, and it does retain a little more energy, but does not overreact to the friction to the right, which I think anybody that has a little more rev rate and a little slower speed is going to benefit from a shape particularly like that. So I transitioned over to the Virtual Energy. I actually put power edge on this. The first shot was fine, but when I got in to try to match the same shape that the Physix Blackout created, I noticed that it was a little too clean and there wasn't enough friction for this ball at this particular time. So I can definitely see where the Physix Blackout actually benefits when there's a little more oil down lane. And that's not a bad thing at all. That just means that you have an option once the Physix Blackout hooks too much. And this is the part where I'm supposed to do something cool. Well, I tried.